Alright, so I wanted to take a break from studying and play some guitar. And one of the songs I wanted to learn how to play was No One Knows by Queens of the Stone Age. And it needed, like, a really strange tuning. It needed, like, C, F, B flat, E flat, G, C. And I've never seen anything tuned like that before. So I decided I used Fender Tune and I put it into my guitar. It's the most unique sounding tuning I've heard yet. Like, I haven't heard anything else that sounds like this. Like, I played a couple of chords and I got something that sounded like this. It just sounds so cool. I've never heard anything like it.